Howdy y'all. Today I'm here to show you how to get an SH1106 screen to work with your homemade Arduboy. Get you playing games, make everything look normal. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is go to Mr. Blinky's Arduboy homemade package on GitHub. It'll be github.com/MrBlinky/Arduboy-homemade-package. You go on here, you scroll down, you'll see a line here you can copy. You want to go ahead and copy that. Go into your Arduino IDE. Go to Files, Preferences. You want to scroll down to this additional boards manager URLs. Press a comma if you have anything already there. Space. Paste. Press OK. And then you can go to Boards Manager. After it downloads the index. My Wi-Fi is terrible. I might speed this up. But hey, it shows you even with a bad Wi-Fi connection, you can make this work. Once installed, you'll have the Arduboy homemade package available in your boards manager. Go ahead and install that. Wait again for everything to process and download. Configure itself. Okay, now that that's done, you can go to Tools, Board, Arduboy homemade package. Go to your homemade Arduboy. You can do all your little settings here. For the SH1106, what you're going to want to do is either your standard or alternate wiring, whatever you're choosing. Original, normal, Arduboy. Here we go. Display, SH1106. You're going to want to wire this up the same as an SSD1306. Like, it doesn't have any difference in wiring, but it does change the way that it interprets the data that it's receiving. So it'll be distorted if you try to do an SSD 1306. So make sure you have SH1106 if it's 7-pin, SH1106 I2C if it's 4-pin. After that, you can have like AVR ISP Mark II is a good programmer, but honestly, if you just don't select one, Arduino IDE usually figures out what's best. Take that, and you can upload it to your Arduboy. Plugging mine in right now. Here we go. See, that's on COM 20. Nope, COM 9. Don't know why 22 showed up. All right, based on Leonardo, Katarina, normal, optimized, SH1106, and because I have an FX chip in mine, pin D1/SDA, because honestly, the other one is just not ideal. Go ahead and click upload.